Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
This is our second hand surgery camp with Goa Medical College as the host hospital, along with GCAM Switzerland, GCAM Foundation Switzerland. This time we have a bigger team of experts. We have 5 surgeons, one anesthetist who have come to treat our patients. Dr. Yuri, the head of plastic surgery department and department of orthopedics under me. We have selected almost 50 to 60 patients for this camp, and these are the rare cases of hand problems in our state of Goa, and we are going to do somewhat different kind of treatment. Now normally you will say what is so great in hands, but there are certain diseases like congenital deformities of hand, then rheumatoid arthritis where people are not able to use their hand, and many patients we see in plastic surgery who are having the burns problem, post burns contractures of the hand, and there are nerve injuries which again requires the expertise, and these expertise are available with us during this camp. Today we have started the camp and we have already operated 4 patients. They are doing very well.